Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the dienes. Dienes means two enes, two double bonds. If a molecule is having two double bonds, that molecule is called as diene. So there are three types of dienes. One is cumulated diene. So what is cumulated diene? As the name indicates, cumulated means together. They are also called allenes. So these are the compounds in which the double bonds are arranged successively. Successively means side by side. So if the double bonds are arranged successively, then those type of dienes are called cumulated dienes. Right? See, here it is a double bond and it is also a double bond which is side by side. So what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, propa. So the positions 1 and 2, first and second carbon is having double bond. They are having the double bonds, right? So 1, 2 propadiene. It is an example for cumulated diene. Okay. Now, next, second category is conjugated dienes. It is also called alternating diene. So these are the compounds in which the double bonds are separated by a single bond. They appear alternatively. So see this molecule. There are 4 carbons. The first carbon, third carbon is having the double bond. See, if you see the arrangement, double bond, single bond, double bond. So it means double bond, single bond, double bond. Double bond is arranged alternatively. So these type of alternative arrangement in a diene is called conjugated diene. So the name of this compound is 1,3-butadiene. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. 4 carbons means buta. It is having 2 double bonds. Diene, the position is 1 and 3. 1,3-butadiene. The third category is non-conjugated dienes. They are also called isolated dienes. So these are the compounds in which the double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. If the double bonds are separated by one single bond, it is called conjugated. If the double bonds are separated by more than one single bond, they are called non-conjugated dienes. So if you see the structure, they look very isolated, very separated. See this molecule, how many carbons it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 molecules. So 5 carbons. So in the 5 carbons, see the arrangement of the double bond. The double bond is present in the first carbon, 2, 3, 4th carbon. See the separation. The first carbon and the 4th carbon is having the double bond. So, but they are separated by 2 single bonds, more than one single bond. So it is separated, it is isolated. The 2 double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. So that's why they are called non-conjugated dienes. So the name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons? 5, penta. 2 double bonds, diene. 1,4-pentadiene. Let us see one by one again. So if the double bonds are side by side, they are called cumulated dienes or allenes. If the double bonds are alternative, one by one, they are called conjugated dienes. If the double bonds are separated by more than one single bond, they are called non-conjugated dienes or isolated dienes. Out of all 3 dienes, the important category of dienes is conjugated dienes. Why? Because they behave in a different way. Why? Because since the double bonds are arranged in an alternative way, they behave in a different way. Let us see. Let us take this example, 1,3-butadiene. I am writing it here. So let us see the structure of 1,3-butadiene. See, let us see, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. Let me write the normal structure of 1,3-butadiene. Correct. So this is the normal structure of the 1,3-butadiene. So we know that double bond means 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. This is also 1 sigma, 1 pi bond. So let me write the pi bond here. So first and second carbons are sharing the double bond. So we know that they are laterally overlapped. Correct. So what about third and fourth? Third and fourth carbons are also having double bond. So third and fourth carbons are also laterally overlapped. So this is the original structure of 1,3-butadiene, but here the interesting thing is actually the double bonds are present on 1, 2 and 3, 4, but there is no double bond between second and third carbon, correct? First, second carbon they are sharing a double bond, and third, fourth carbons are sharing a double bond, but there is no double bond between second and third. But if you see the properties of this second and third carbon, the second carbon is also having pi orbital, the third carbon is also having a pi orbital, they will also share the double bond. See, though they are not having the double bond, they will behave like they are having a double bond. So this makes this compound unique. So the conjugated dienes will behave in a different way, right? So this is the structure of 1,3-butadiene. Though these two carbons are not having double bonds, though they are not having the double bond, they will share the pi bond, right? So if you see the electron cloud, it looks like this. This pi cloud, this pi cloud. So if you see we know that the double bond means, the pi bond means rich in electrons, right? So it is always rich in electrons. Whenever any electrophile is trying to attack, it will attack on the double bond only. Why? Because double bond is having electrons. So here all this area will have the electron rich properties. So all the molecule will have electron rich area. So this is the speciality of conjugated dienes. Okay, so this makes the 1,3-butadiene very unique. This makes the conjugated dienes very special out of all the dienes. Okay.